What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the markets. We're taking a look at Arcblock / the US dollar. This is still the Coinbase chart, a daily chart. It's the 2nd of February. Markets continue to pull back here for Arc, and let's talk about this real quick. Still stay tuned. I am coming out with another video on a different Arcblock chart that has data going back further in time, which will give us higher price targets for this crypto. But for this chart, which is what we've been doing here for a couple days, that's what we're going to talk about at the moment. So far, we have the top in place as I thought it may be, right at 3 of our levels that we spoke about. We'll touch on that real quick. We had a pretty big reversal. Let me get rid of that for you guys, and we'll zoom in here. We had a pretty big reversal take place 2 days back, higher on the day, and then closed below. That was the 31st of January. The levels that I was looking for as they were hit, 41, 25, 39, 59, 38, 12. That's 1, 2, 3 blue, green, and yellow levels right there. I said when this thing was rallying on this day right here, I don't hold Arcblock, by the way. I am not an investor in Arcblock. No one is paying me to talk about this thing, bullish or bearish. I said if I was long this thing and I was up, X amount of 100%, I think this thing's up over 500% from the bottom, and we're hitting my upper targets, the highest targets I personally have, I would be looking to lock in profits. It was an incredible run. And then just recently on this breakout, it was an incredible run. So anyways, for whatever that's worth. The pullback that we're getting, though, guys, we could go as deep as 29.65. That's this yellow line right here. So that line was once resistance back on the 13th of December, and then we consolidated for a couple weeks, and then we finally broke out on the 30th of January. So a back test of this and hopefully turning into support is very possible. That's this yellow line right here, and the price I have is 29.65. And once again, this is the Coinbase data here, Coinbase chart on tradingview.com. ABT USD, US dollar. So we'll see how far this pullback goes, guys. I mean, that's the line I have. It's also possible that there is another pullback further to 23.88. You could take this level right here, all of these highs, all of these candle highs here, which is at the 23.88 level. And that area right there was some major resistance. So a pullback to there is also possible. We'll see. We'll see how far they go. Maybe we stop at 29.65, but who knows? Maybe it stops a little higher than that. So we'll keep an eye on it as we move forward, but that's the levels that at least I'm watching, is the 29.65, and then below that 23.88. And if for any reason this thing stops on a dime here and starts to rally again, well, then we're looking for breaks above 38.12, 38.59, 41 and a quarter. That is right here. If this thing does start to get bullish again, I will be coming out with more upper targets for this chart up in this range here. So stay posted for that, and hopefully come out with another video here with the other chart with the higher price targets going back in time. So that's my thoughts on Arcblock. Let me know how you did on this thing, and your thoughts, bullish, bearish, whatever else you want to share, feel free down in the comments. You guys take care.